Oh yeah, a 35-foot diesel pusher with 4 pop-outs. Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the Fleetwood Pace Arrow 35S. It has 4 slide outs and lots of storage. Now, if this is the first time you have seen one of my videos, I do about a 10-minute walkthrough of the entire motorhome and talk about it without any special effects, sound effects, or weird editing. So let's get started. Now, it is 110 degrees outside, so I opened up all the outside compartments already. Now, as you can tell, it has frameless windows, awning toppers, 2 air conditioners, and let's take a quick look at all the storage underneath. Now, this is not the old Fleetwood. This is the Fleetwood that is owned by Rev Group, just same as Monaco and Lance Travel Trailers. Now, it is full body paint. It has a 340 horsepower motor, 2500 Allison transmission, so that is a 6-speed transmission, tankless hot water heater, outside entertainment. Now, this is a 2020 year model. So it is pre-owned, and if you want information on where this motorhome is located, I will put it in the description box below. Inside, we have theater seating with overhead cabinets. We'll open those a little bit later. Booth dinette, but what I really want to point out is look how much space there is with the 2 opposing slide outs. Lots of living room space. You got a television with sound bar. Overhead bed. Now, this overhead bed is rated by Fleetwood at 650 pounds. So you could sleep 2 full-grown adults up there. Now, this particular one has just over 28,000 miles. It's on the Freightliner chassis. Everything's in really good shape. You got front shades with side curtains, and you even have some storage right up here, which is helpful, like if you want to have some of your electronic chargers accessible, where basically you can stand up from the passenger seat and access anything you really need that you're going to, or I should say anything you want while you're traveling down the road. So even if you want to hide some snacks up there, I mean, that would be a really good idea as well. Okay, so coming over to the theater seating, all these overhead cabinets. I like the high gloss look. It looks really nice. I think the colors, because they're not too dark but not too light, make the space look bigger than it really is. That's all of your controls for your bed lift, your leveling system, and your slide outs. Now remember, this booth dinette will turn into a bed. And in the kitchen, you can see they already had these pulled up where you can have your plugs that are hidden. But you also have decent cabinet space. And this is removable. So if you want to put a big pot in there, you can. If you want the separation for bowls and plates, you can. And it's adjustable. So it gives you a little bit of flexibility with your storage. Now, you did see all the underbelly storage earlier. Now, this is one downside to me. Again, a lot of you that watch my channel tell me you love the 2-piece sink. That's fabulous. It's a personal preference thing. Me personally, I like the 1-piece sink because I like tortilla soup, pozole, chili. You know, you need big pots to cook that stuff, especially when you're camping. At least when I'm camping. But for a small diesel pusher, it has a nice counter space to it. It has a nice kitchen. Plenty of deep storage. I mean, look how far back that goes. Plus, you have easy access to your plumbing. Induction cooktop, which I prefer over the gas, or LP I should say. I do prefer that in a motorhome. I don't prefer it in a travel trailer or a fifth wheel because you have to have a generator running, so it's harder to do cooking when you're dry camping. But in a diesel pusher or even a gas coach that has an onboard generator already, I do really like the induction cooktop. Nice deep drawers. You can tell they open and close very softly, very easily, and snap in place. You don't typically get that in a lot of motorhomes. Actual solid backsplash, not paper. Sorry. I mean, you have to understand that joke. That joke comes from other videos I've done. Pantry. By the way, if you enjoy the way I do these walkthrough videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, as it does help the channel grow. Big residential refrigerator with pull-out freezer. You can also get t-shirts, hats, etc. at our shop if you look in the description box below. The bathroom's a little unique, and here's why it's unique. The shower's about the same size as most showers in small motorhomes, and the toilet is in a position where you don't feel like you're in a sardine can. But having the curtain is very different, and having one sink here, and then we're going to walk into the bathroom, or sorry, the bedroom, and you have another sink right here with a medicine cabinet. So your bathroom partially goes into your bedroom, and you can close it off from both ends. So if you want to close off your bedroom, you close this door, you close that door there, that pocket door, and then you have access to the bathroom from the living room, and you have all the privacy in the bedroom. Now here, the privacy in the bedroom, you do have your flat screen TV, lots of storage down here, including this cabinet. Again, one thing I have noticed about Rev Group, I know some folks do have their complaints. Everybody has complaints about some kind of RV company, right? What I have noticed is they do a really good job with deep storage. They don't skim on it. Do they skim on the amount? Yes. That doesn't have as many cabinets and drawers as a lot of other makers of a diesel pusher or their motorhomes, but they make their storage count. They make it deep, they make it really long. And to me, that's important because, you know, to me, quality of the amount of storage is more important than the quantity. Having small areas where I have to like sort things isn't the business. Boy, I can't believe I actually said that. Closet space with obviously flexible shelving. In here, you have more shelving that they put in aftermarket. This is aftermarket, okay? But you also have your combo washer dryer. Now, I prefer the combo washer dryer over the stackable, and this is only my preference because you can throw your laundry in and go have your day. And remember, that combo washer dryer is only going to do about 6 pieces of laundry. Your stackable washer dryer is only going to do about 6 pieces of laundry. But you don't have to switch it. You can go about your day. It's going to take 2 or 3 hours for it to go through its cycle. You don't have to wait around and switch it from the washer to the dryer. So I really do like the combo better. That's my personal preference. Big, deep closet space. Again, that's another just theme word I've been able to use with this motorhome so far. Ooh, I like that. That was smart. Look how much... I mean, you could put a lot of t-shirt, short, stuff like that in there. Like that. Let me know in the comments section what you guys think about this motorhome. Oh, there's the table for the front of the coach. Here's a vanity. Oh boy, do I look pretty or what, folks? Sorry. I'm having a very rare sense of humor here in August of 2024. So very nice. Now, from what I understand, reading this, this is an RV King, which means it's got the width of a King, but not the length. If you want the extra couple of inches of length, pull the mattress forward when it's in the down position and put some memory foam in the back. That's the best way to deal with that. But I like the charging stations and the nightstands on each side of the bed, which gives you what? An ability to charge your cell phone and have somewhere to put it. Maybe a tablet, maybe a Kindle. My wife likes to read her Kindle at night, so it gives her an area to put it down. Now, if you have any questions or you'd like to purchase this motorhome through me, you looked in the description box below. It'll have all my contact information, including my social media and my email. Don't forget to follow us on X, which is formerly Twitter. I'm trying to grow that account right now. Now, in the top right-hand corner of this video, you're going to see another motorhome that I completely fell in love with when I did the walkthrough, that I actually had some trial and error stuff going when I filmed it. Until next time, toolkit and sense of humor.